Not sure if you can read that, but it's the Crowne Plaza in downtown Orlando, Florida. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel, or we're ready to go to bed. We're gonna check out this hotel we're staying at tonight. Ran around all day. I was down near Tampa and Sarasota, and so it's now bedtime, so let's check out our room. Well, you can come up here to valet parking. There's a seating area out here. You can, like I said, valet park or self-serve park. Crowne Plaza, Orlando Downtown. Yeah, they have a dollar rental car and thrifty rental car. Nice little fountain area. I think off to the right over there is a restaurant. Some snacks. And front desk where you check in at. All right, we are on the 8th floor. Here we go, 14 floors, we're number 8. I hope we don't have the usual walk all the way down the end of the hallway, because as you guys know in my last video of a hotel, I was at the very end. Oh, very nice seating area when you come off. To the left, utility rooms. We're in 815. We're going to the right. Not going that way. All right, let's check this out. Well, this hallway ain't too long. 814, 815. Nope. We got the green. All right. Lights on. Whoa, this is a nice room. Nice room. Well, let's just start right here. Bathroom. Good sized bath, shower. All right. Got a coffee maker, a Keurig coffee maker, microwave. It's down here, little mini fridge. Another nice seating area. King size bed. Closet. Turn this light on, get a little more light in here. There we go. What's this? Fresh remote. TV. Wow, good king size bed here. And we got some double doors. Another little seating area. What's this say? For your safety, balcony doors must remain locked at all times. Oh, well, they're not locked. Well, we got a window here. There is a balcony, but yeah, you're definitely not getting out of there. Not a bad view from the 8th story. I wish I was more to the left, but this will do. I should do one of those jump on the beds. I've seen people do that, but you don't want to see that. That could get pretty ugly. Well, and there you have it. There's a little overview of my room with a king size bed. So if you ever stay down here in Orlando, you might want to check this place out, the Crowne Plaza, downtown Orlando. And on that note, traveler out.